Dirk, what are you doing?
Shannon, I think we have our third and final box sent to us by Chris Galloway from the Grand Lodge of Texas and Perfect Ashlar Publishing. Books that he's been donating to the Michigan Masonic Museum and Library for Masons and general public to come in and check out. The last box we had was a big one, had lots of books in it. This is a little bit smaller. I don't know how many are in here. I'm assuming it's a book. All right, let's see what we got. A single book came today, and it's
volume 4.
So we
got the first 3 in the last shipment.
In the last shipment, and the final volume in this shipment. So look good. This is a full volume set of the profound philosophical pontifications of Big John Deacon, Freemason extraordinaire. So we have the whole set now. And we'll look forward to reading them, getting them on the shelves. And again, thank you to Brother Chris Galloway out of the Grand Lodge of Texas and Perfect Ashlar Publishing. Check them out. If you got a book in mind, that might be a great spot to send it.
We'll have a link in the comments.
All right, let's get to reading.
Yeah.